and welcome to Obsidian Soft. In this tutorial, I will show how to publish an app on the Google Play Store. Before I begin, a disclaimer, this video is being made in 2023, so it is according to Google's publishing policies of 2023. In this guide, I will particularly focus on apps made using MIT App Inventor, but it can also be used by apps made using other IDEs. First of all, you need a Google Play Console developer account. So go to this website. I will give the link in the video description and create your account by paying a small fee. Once you have done it, you are ready to publish your new app. Let's go to MIT App Inventor to finalize our app for publishing. Remember to build your APK file and install it on multiple devices to test it thoroughly so that there are no errors or bugs in it. For demo purposes, I will be publishing my calculator app. Fix your app name to the actual name of the app that you want to display on the device. Upload an icon of maximum 1024 by 1024 pixels, square PNG or JPEG image. The build server of MIT App Inventor will generate images of standard dimensions for Android devices. I will upload a 192 by 192 pixels icon to reduce my APK size. This is a popular opinion on the official MIT App Inventor forum for Android apps. However, you do need a 512 by 512 pixels icon for your Google Play Store page. Now generate your app bundle by going to Build and generating the app bundle. It is saying Android app bundle for calculator to be used in Google Play Store. So just download it. And it will be downloaded to your downloads folder. I've copied the bundle to a folder on my desktop with the name of publishing. Now get some information and graphics ready for your app. We need the following for the Google Play Store page of the app: an app name, maximum 30 words, short description, maximum 80 words, and a full description, maximum 4,000 words. Also, you need some graphic assets. The minimum assets required for publishing your app on Google Play Store are an app icon, as I mentioned before, of 512 by 512 pixels, JPG or PNG. Next, you need a feature graphic of size 1024 by 500 pixels and at least 2 screenshots for phone, 7-inch tablet and 10-inch tablet. I've already created these assets, so I will proceed to publishing this app. Once you have created your developer account, you will be taken to a console page. Press the Create App button, and now you need to fill up this form. The default language, this is an app. I'm going to make it free. You cannot change this after you have published it. Confirm. Accept the export laws, create app. This you can do so that you test your app thoroughly before publishing it. Now set up your app. This is required for publishing it. So view tasks, set the privacy policy. Now this is important. You have to provide a URL here. Save it. Go back to dashboard. Now app access, so you have to choose appropriately. So do all of this one by one. Ads, so choose yes if your app contains ads. Again, back to dashboard, content rating. So it will ask you to fill up a questionnaire, provide a valid email address. I'm going to choose here because it's a calculator. No. 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 So you have to fill it honestly because otherwise your app can be removed and your account can also be removed. No, 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 no. Again, save. Save it. So coming back, the target audience, again very important. So I'm going to choose 9 to 12, 13, and all of this. So make sure that you choose all the ages that are applicable. Remember that the apps that target children will be reviewed more strictly than the apps that don't target children. No. So there's a lot of legality involved in publishing your app. This will get you a badge if it is an educational app, so it's a nice thing to have. For example, my Countwell app is in the expert approved program. But this is just a calculator, so I don't need it to be reviewed for the expert approved program. So save it. Remember to save your section every time you complete it. Again, we have to go back to dashboard, news app, no, save, dashboard, COVID-19 app. This is a 2023 app, so we still have COVID-19 checks here. No, save, data safety. So this is important whether your app collects any kind of data. So no. My app is targeting children, so I have to agree to the Google Play Families Policy too. As I said to you before, it will be more strictly reviewed, the app, if it targets children. Again, save it. Dashboard. Government app. No. Save. Financial features. Can go down that it's not a financial app. Save. Go back to app content. Now click on edit here and again tell whether it's an app or a game, and then you have to tell the category. So in my case, it's a productivity app. So it's a calculator, so save it. Again, if you have a game here, so you will have to choose a game here and then give the category for it. And you can give tags here to make your app more search friendly, okay? So I'm just going to cancel it. And here you have to give your information. So again, so only the email address is required. So I'm just going to skip this, save it. Now, what we have to do is that we have to go to this place, store presence, and then main store listing. Okay? And here we have to provide the short description. Now I have to upload my graphics. So upload an app icon. It should be 512 by 512. The feature graphic is also required. Video is optional. And you have to upload minimum 2 images, okay? So 1 and 2, and I can select them at the same time. And you need 2 images for your 7-inch tablet and 2 for your 10-inch. I'm going to reuse the same ones, but you should make new ones. And the Chrome screenshots are optional. Save it. Everything is good. Now, what we have to do is that we have to go to production and create a new release. So first of all, we have to enroll in Play App signing. So choose signing key. You can either use a different key or you can use the Google generated key. So I'm just going to use Google generated key. Now upload the bundle. And then you can give some release notes that this is a new calculator app. And every time you update your app, you write here what the changes are. So next. So we got some errors. So let's see where we have to go to fix this error. So advertising declaration. So no. Save. Okay. Go back. And we have to select, yes, I was thinking where the countries are coming. They have changed it a bit. So basically, I had to do one more thing in production, countries. Okay, so add the countries. Now I'm going to select all of them and then press save. Okay, so go back to publishing overview. Click on go to dashboard. It is recommended to test your app before releasing it to production. But this tutorial is about publishing the app, so I will focus on that. Hence, go down to create and publish a release and click on preview and confirm the release. Go back to edit release. So press next here. Okay. Now all the errors are gone. So press save. Click on publishing overview. And then now when you press this button, the app will be ready for review, and after a successful review, it will go into production. This is the way to publish an app on Google Play Store. So I hope you like this video and it helps you in publishing your first app. Best wishes for your future as a Google Play Console developer, and I hope you get many downloads. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you don't miss any of the great projects I have planned for you. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day and goodbye.